welcome. You've made it this far. You would like to ship items to Jamaica cost effectively and in most cases for free, because I know you heard about our free shipping. Give me a few minutes of your time. I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can shop online with just a few little clicks on your smartphone, and you can ship your items, 10, 20, 100 items to Jamaica. So, because I respect your time and I want to save you even some more, if you are interested in shipping a barrel and not sending that to Jamaica, I'm sorry, but our service is not for you. You can exit this page right now, and I apologize for wasting your time. But if you want to send packages, appliance, TV, electronics, or even small or large boxes with multiple items, you are in the right place. No, there is a misconception that you have to shop online to use our services, and this is simply not true. If you already have the items in your possession, simply ship them to your mailbox. This brings me to your mailbox. Let me walk you through the process of creating one. 1. Create your free shipping account. Nothing happens without your shipping account. This is how you track your packages and pay for them online. Creating a shipping account is as simple as filling out the few details below. At any time during this video, if you feel comfortable enough, go ahead and create your free shipping account. 2. When you submit the details below, you will be sent a verification email. If you don't find it in your mailbox, go ahead and check your junk mail. 3. Open the email and click the verify email button to verify your email address. Next, you will receive a welcome email that contains your username and password. Now, you can log into your shipping account with your username and password. 4. When you log into the profile for the first time, you're going to notice a Florida address on your dashboard that says My US Address. This address is unique to you. No two customer has the same address. 5. When shopping online, this is the address you will use as your delivery address. And as I said earlier, if you have the items in your possession, this is the address you will ship them to. 6. Now, your account is almost ready for shipping. Well, let's complete your account profile. Be sure to upload an ID on the dashboard. Then, from the menu, click Profile and select Edit Profile. This is where you add the address that we will ship your packages to in Jamaica. You can always go back to edit this address and send packages to any address you wish in Jamaica. And it is that easy. You are now set up to shop anywhere on the internet and have clothes, electronics, personal items, TV, and items in your possession delivered to your doorstep or your loved one's doorstep in Jamaica with just 2 simple clicks on your smartphone. Now, who can take advantage of our service? Yardy yard and yardy abroad. It doesn't matter if you live in Canada, the UK, or Cayman Islands, you are using a US address to shop online, and you will enjoy all the benefits of someone who lives in the US. In this case, you will use the .com versions of websites. Typically, if you are in the UK, you're going to use amazon.co.uk. Or if you're in Canada, you will use amazon.ca. You no longer need to do that. Simply go to amazon.com and the .com version of any online retailer. Enjoy free shipping from Amazon and eBay, AliExpress, or Walmart to your mailbox. How do most of our customers use the shipping address? Well, our customer base is diverse. We have people and businesses in Jamaica who constantly purchase business and personal supplies. We have Jamaicans working or living overseas who constantly send items to their children and family. We have Jamaicans serving in foreign armed services deployed to the far reaches of the world, constantly sending items to their loved ones in Jamaica. We have Jamaicans living abroad who just want to send a gift, party supplies, and big screen TVs to mama. We have customers who use our service to ship small items like vitamins and supplements. We have customers who use our service to ship appliances, microwaves, and air fryers. We also have customers who ship large items like car parts and machinery to Jamaica. So, you see it, having a shipping account is very useful. It is free and easy to create. And if this is not enough incentive to create your free shipping account, after creating the account, at the top side of the page, click the free shipping coupon button. This will give you a free 5-pound shipping coupon every 3 months. This is free shipping for any items under 5 pounds every 3 months. So fill out the information below, get started, create your free shipping account, and start to ship today.